It's so flavorful, so yummy. That little bit of garnish with it just balances it out. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making Kaw Sach Chrouk, which is also known as caramelized braised pork. In this case, pork belly. You can actually use any type of pork. I prefer pork belly because I like the fattiness, and who doesn't like fat? Because it tastes delicious. So we're gonna start with the pork belly. I cut these in about an inch size cube, and then we're gonna add some chopped shallots. Well, they're minced shallots. And then some fresh minced garlic, some soy sauce, some dark sweet soy sauce, some fish sauce, some dark brown sugar. That's gonna help it caramelize, and some black pepper. And I'm gonna put on some gloves so I can marinate it all. Make sure all of the pork is fully coated. It already smells good from the garlic. All right, now that all of the pieces of pork are coated with the marinade, we are going to set it aside, and we're gonna let it marinate for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And while we let that marinate, I'm gonna cut open the coconut. So here I have one young coconut. I'm just gonna open it. And you gotta make sure you be careful. Now that it's open, we're gonna save this as our braising liquid and put that aside. And then we're ready to go to the stove. Okay, now we gotta make sure this pot is hot, it feels hot. Add a little bit of oil in there. Swirl it around. Make sure it's super hot. And then we're gonna add the marinated pork. All right, now that it's coming to a boil a little bit, I'm gonna add the coconut water. And then I'm gonna stir it around a bit. And then we're gonna let it braise with the lid on. All right guys, so it's been cooking for about 15 minutes, braising in the liquid. I'm going to add some quail eggs. You can actually add regular eggs, but I prefer quail eggs, so it's up to you. And just so that it soaks up the flavors, I'm gonna put that in there. Swivel it around, make sure you don't smash the eggs. And then we're gonna let it cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes. So after I added the quail eggs, I let it cook in its own juices for about another 15 minutes, and then I turned the fire off. Now I have it here, and I'm gonna put it into the vessel that I'm going to serve it in. So I'm trying not to smash the quail eggs, so I'm gonna scoop as carefully as possible. And here I have a clay pot. If you want to, you can also heat it up on the stove, that way it's nice and sizzling when you serve it. And it smells so good. Then we're gonna garnish it with some green onion. And some cilantro. And if you like spicy, because I like spicy, some Thai chilies. And there you guys have it. Caramelized braised pork belly, also known as Kaw Sach Chrouk. All done and yummy. I'm super excited to try this. I made some white rice to go with it. I'm just gonna dig right in. So my favorite, quail leg first. I'm gonna get a piece of pork here with a little bit of green onion and cilantro. Mmm. It's so flavorful, so yummy. That little bit of garnish with it just balances it out. Don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, and share on your social media. See you next time. Now that's open. I don't like that. I got it off. Can I start over?
Yeah, just right from that part.
From the don't forget to like?
Yeah. Perfecto.